In this video, you guys are going to discover 5 high-income skills that you can learn in 2024. High-income skills have allowed for me to travel the world. High-income skills have allowed for me to lead large groups of people. High-income skills have allowed for me to move out of the country of the United States to lead in other countries and to move my family to those countries and back and forth to the United States. But most importantly, high-income skills have allowed for me to make the money that I want to make throughout my career. And for you, high-income skills can allow for you to work and travel at the same time, meaning that you can go to Dubai for a few months out of the year or for many years, or you can go to Malaysia or Singapore, wherever you want to go. High-income skills can allow for you to do that and get paid.
God, that is awesome.
And I often get asked by people who are looking to make a career transition or to make more money in their career, what skills should I be learning? And in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 high-income skills that you can be learning. Me and my team have done the research on the most high income skills that you can be learning for 2024. So if you like that we did this research for you, go ahead and hit the like button on the video. Not only that, if you are new to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because we drop videos on a Tuesday and Thursday and you don't want to miss those videos. And first on the list at number 5 is content creation skills. And content creation skills is exactly what it sounds like. It's basically producing valuable and engaging content for online platforms. So you can do it in blogs or social media or videos or even podcasts. And there's multiple ways that you can create content. You can write articles, you can film videos like I'm doing on this channel right here. You can design graphics and you can record audio. And content creation is a very, very valuable and powerful skill because it allows for you to create awareness with brands or establish authority and to attract and engage audiences. If you think about it, high quality content can drive website traffic. It can help to generate leads where you can then convert those leads. It can help to nurture customer relationships, which are all important for growing a business. And I did some research on the potential income for content creators, and the average salary for a content creator in the United States is around $48,000 a year. That's just from the ad revenue that they get. And for YouTube itself, for somebody who has about 1 million subscribers, they get about $60,000 a year on those 1 million subscribers with ad revenue. But that's just the beginning, because if you have partnerships, sponsorships, affiliates, you can triple, quadruple that amount of money that you're bringing in. And I think content creation as a skill is a skill that you will always need, and it is a high income skill. I think about for this channel that I have right now, the channel is relatively small, but the income that it generates can be big. And I see in the future, it probably will replace my full-time job in years from now, right? But it is an opportunity for you to get your brand out there, get your message out there, and not only that, to help others in the world. Next on the list is sales and marketing skills. And sales and marketing involves promoting products or promoting services to potential customers that you are looking to sell to. And the selling method could be through multiple channels and strategies, with the ultimate goal is to grow a business and to provide a product or service so that the customer can get it and be happy with it. And a quick example of what a sales and marketing professional may do, especially related to social media, is to run targeted social media advertisings or campaigns to promote a new product that they just launched to help drive traffic to a specific website. And sales and marketing as a skill are very important for businesses because it helps to attract and retain customers. It also helps to increase brand awareness and to ultimately, which most businesses need to do, drive profitability and revenue. And did some research on the average salary for a sales and marketing professional in the United States. And on average for entry level, it is about $48,000 a year, but you can make in the multiple 6 figures if you are in a corporate environment or in a private company environment. And next on the list at number 3 is video editing. And this one is a very important one which involves manipulating raw footage to create a visual story with video. So you'll get an opportunity to use editing software and the techniques to create a story that resonates with people who are watching the video. So for instance, you may take a vlog footage of you walking in the park and then adding music and then making transitions and then adding some text overlays to enhance the storytelling and to captivate the audience. And this is a very, very important skill because as social media continues to grow and its platforms continue to expand, not only that, websites and streaming services continue to expand, skilled video editors will continue to be in high demand because you have to continue to produce engaging content that stands out in a crowd of others who are producing content as well. And the average salary for someone who has video editing skills in the United States is about $52,000 a year. And I think video editing as a skill is very important because it's a way for you to basically create a movie that will resonate with the audience on the other side. This video right here is a movie that's helping people to understand what high income skills are, and my video editor is responsible for doing just that. And I pay him a good amount of money to do just that.
Yeah, boy.
And next on the list at number 2 is web design skills. And web design involves creating visually appealing and user-friendly websites, using designs and using coding languages and using web development tools. For example, as a web designer, you may design a website for a local bakery, incorporating vibrant colors and incorporating cupcakes and cookies and images of the other goods that they may sell. And you will also be responsible for creating the menu on the website so that it makes it easier for the user to navigate on the menu to find what they are selling or what goods they may have, who's the owner, or about the bakery. And web design skills is very important because it is essential for businesses to attract and retain customers. You think about it, it serves as a storefront, a website that is, serves as a storefront for businesses. So the first thing that people do usually when they hear about a business is they go to their website. And ultimately what they see is what reflects the brands on the website. This is why it's very important for the business world. And you can make a good amount of money doing web design as a web designer or a web developer with an average salary of about $48,000 a year. And I like this one a lot because website design is very similar to house architecting, right? You go to some neighborhoods and you see all the houses look the same. You go to some websites, you see they all look the same. But the houses that sell the majority of the time are the houses that are a little bit more custom or makes it look better for the buyer or for the neighborhood. And that's the same thing that happens in web design. If you are somebody who can make websites look very appealing to an audience, you can make a lot of money. And next and final on the list is AI proficiency skills. And this is a relatively new one because AI has taken over. You think about it, it started about a year and a half, 2 years ago. And AI proficiency basically means using artificial intelligence technologies to automate tasks or to analyze data and to help businesses and people make informed decisions. And a quick example is to use AI powered tools like ChatGPT to generate artwork or to extract information from large PDF documents. And this is a very important skill because AI is rapidly evolving and it is becoming integral to just about all industries out there. And having proficiency in AI will enable you and others to streamline processes, to improve efficiency, and to gain valuable insights from data. And the average salary for someone who has AI proficiency, depending on the role that they're in, is around $79,000 a year. And it can go all the way up to $170,000 a year. And I like this skill a lot because it is a way for you to become more efficient. It is a way for you to cut down on the time it takes to do certain things like write emails or send out letters or to analyze data. And having that skill will allow for you to be able to have and do many types of jobs in the future. And there you have it, folks. These are the top 5 high income skills for 2024 that you can begin learning if you haven't learned them yet. Or if you're looking to learn high income skills, you should start with one of these. Guys, I hope you have found this video to be insightful and empowering. And if you have and you haven't hit like on the video yet, go ahead and hit like on the video. Not only that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because we drop videos on a Tuesday and Thursday, and you don't want to miss any of the future videos. Guys, remember this: the digital world is full of opportunities, and mastering these skills can open up doors to a lot of possibilities, which include working from anywhere in the world and making lots of money. Guys, we will see you in the next video. Until next time, peace.